Hey guys, welcome to my list of the best mobile cryptocurrency wallets for this year. This is an explainer for beginners as well as a list of what I think are the best wallets in terms of the offerings that they give. And I'm going to go through all of these wallets in terms of security, prices and fees, if any. Also who they are as companies, their history and everything like that. So you can make an informed decision because they do have different features, and depending on if you're a beginner or a little bit more advanced, you might want to go for one or the other. I'll also link all of these platforms in the description below so you can go through, see them and see all of their websites and their FAQs and everything like that. Plus some more helpful videos in the description as well, and the timestamps for the video. So check all of that out. Firstly, I want to go over why you'd choose a mobile or an online type of wallet versus a hardware or offline type of wallet. And really, these are some of the things that we should be looking out for when choosing a mobile wallet. If you already know about mobile or online wallets, you can just skip over, use the timestamps and go to the first wallet. All of the wallets in this video are called mobile or hot wallets, meaning they're actually online. So you store your crypto with the app or the platform. When you trade cryptocurrency, you usually go to a cryptocurrency exchange to buy that, but storing it on the exchange is definitely not safe, which is why people actually use cryptocurrency wallets so they can more safely store their Bitcoins and other cryptos. The upsides of hot wallets or online wallets compared to hardware wallets, sometimes called cold wallets, is the ease of use and the availability of funds. You can log into your account, see your cryptocurrencies there, and send, receive, and also use them to pay for things very easily, just like you would with Apple Pay. You can scan QR codes and use your cryptocurrency to pay for things or send it to people that you know. Cold wallets are much safer because your cryptocurrency is stored literally on like a souped up USB stick with extra security. That can be stored somewhere safe, but obviously it's not convenient to carry that around, especially if you've got a lot of money on there. And it's of course not really that convenient as a payment system. In any case, most experts agree that a cold wallet or an offline hardware wallet is the safest option. But in terms of ease of use and also convenience, hot wallets or mobile wallets do have their place as well. Anyway, let's get on to the first one, which is Trust Wallet, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more cryptocurrency videos like this. Trust Wallet actually started as an independent service, but it was bought out by a company called Binance a few years back. Binance is a big name in the industry. It is one of the biggest currency exchanges as well. They have a separate exchange platform called Binance, which you can go and check out. I'll leave that link in the description. You can go through and set up an account for free, but they also have Trust Wallet, which is obviously their wallet offering. Wallets and exchanges aren't exactly the same thing. So an exchange is like a stock exchange. People go there to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Wallets are actually different apps, and they are really a secure place to keep your cryptocurrency. If you do use Binance as an exchange, you don't need to use Trust Wallet, but obviously the two go hand in hand. And if you're signing up for an account, Trust Wallet is right there. So obviously a lot of people that use Binance also use Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet also has many consumer-friendly features though. So if you're not really that into cryptocurrency and you think signing up for an exchange with all the charting software and everything like that is just a bit out of your league, then you can use Trust Wallet and actually use the wallet more or less as a broker to go and purchase Bitcoin or other cryptos. You can also exchange your crypto for all of the other cryptocurrency supported, and Trust Wallet supports a lot. Trust Wallet also offers something called staking. This is where you actually put your Bitcoin or other cryptos on account for a long time and can actually gain some interest because you have that in the system. You lose the ability to send them anywhere or use them to buy things when you are staking. It's a bit like having a high interest savings account where you have to put your money in there, and for a certain amount of time, you get a higher interest rate. Not all coins support staking though, so definitely check that. But it's a good option that Trust Wallet has, and some of the others in this list have it as well. You can use credit cards to purchase your crypto in the app, and sending and receiving cryptos is very easy. You just simply enter the address of the wallet that you want to send something to, or vice versa, and it's a very simple process. Trust Wallet is an open source project. That means anyone can go in there and look at the code, which does have some advantages for security overall. It's actually completely and utterly free to use as well. It doesn't have a subscription service or any recurring fees. There are fees to do with transactions though. So if you want to send and receive cryptocurrency, There are certain fees, sometimes called gas fees, and this is a standard across the industry. So every wallet is going to have these, and they're going to be the same based on what you trade. In terms of security and also anonymity, Trust Wallet is right up there. There's absolutely no KYC information asked when you sign up for Trust Wallet. KYC is know your customer information. So if you've ever signed up for a stockbroking account, you'll know you have to give over pretty much all of the information of yourself, maybe even your ID. Well, with a Trust Wallet account, you don't give up anything, so you have complete anonymity. There's also a 12-word password phrase that you get when you sign up for a Trust Wallet, and that is obviously extremely difficult to crack. And you need to make sure that you have that somewhere written down in a safe place, because if you do lose that, then you're not going to have access to your account. Next up is Coinbase, and this once more is a trusted name and a name that's been around a long time. If you search for anything to do with cryptocurrencies, you've probably heard of either Coinbase Wallet or their trading and exchange platforms called Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. Coinbase Wallet is their wallet offering. It's not mandatory to have a Coinbase Pro exchange account to actually get Coinbase Wallet. Like I said, they are kind of separate services. So you can have a Coinbase Wallet and not have a Coinbase Pro account. Coinbase is known for being one of the most secure cryptocurrency wallets. Up until making this video anyway, they've never been hacked. And they even managed to stop hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin being transferred out of their customers' accounts during the mid-2020 Twitter hack, if you remember that one. With that extra layer of security though that enabled them to save that money just being given away, you do have to give up some of your privacy and anonymity. For 99% of us, just normal people, just maybe trying to get into cryptocurrency, buy some Bitcoin and hold it, it's not going to be any issue whatsoever. But of course, some people trade cryptocurrencies for a reason, want to be anonymous, so you're going to have to go for another service. Like Trust Wallet though, Coinbase is completely free to download and use, and you'll be able to transfer your coins into the wallet free of charge. You can also hold coins and US dollars in the wallet for free. You can buy Bitcoin and other cryptos in the wallet app as well. You just deposit fiat currency like US dollars, or pretty much every currency is supported. Coinbase are going to act essentially like a stockbroker. So they're going to be giving you a service, and they do charge for that. Now, this is a lot higher than, for example, if you went to an exchange. So Coinbase Pro or Binance, they are exchanges, and the fees there will be lower because there's no brokers as such involved in that. Coinbase Wallet acting as a broker will be more expensive, anywhere from about 0.5% all the way up to maybe 3 or 4% of your transaction may be charged as a fee. That is really quite high overall. So for that convenience, you're definitely paying up. Moving on to eToro, and this may be a really good choice for people that want a more consumer-friendly type of service. eToro is what I call a full-service broker. You can buy stocks and shares, you can trade CFDs, and also they've recently added cryptocurrency trading as well. You can actually sign up for an eToro account, and within your trading systems, you get a cryptocurrency exchange and you can buy Bitcoin, for example. eToro also provide a wallet, and you can use the same account information to sign up for that. There are some extra security protocols that the wallet has though. One of the things that you do give up though is your anonymity. So if you sign up for an eToro account, they do ask for a lot of information. This does increase security, but your anonymity is gone. So if that's important for you, you'll have to go with something like Trust Wallet. The eToro wallet supports over 120 cryptocurrencies. You can use the wallet to buy things in any stores that support Bitcoin or Ethereum, for example. You can also send and receive currency between this and other wallets. Deposits are completely free as well. So if you want to use credit cards or PayPal or many other payment options to deposit US dollars or pound sterling, for example, and then go and buy some cryptocurrency, that is free to deposit. Just like the others though, if you send and receive cryptocurrency from the wallet, you have to pay gas fees. As I said, this is industry standard, so it's the same amongst all wallets. If you want to trade and buy Bitcoin from the wallet or the eToro trading platforms, that is commission free as well, although eToro make their money in the spread. This is a very standard way of the broker making their money, obviously from all of the services that they provide, but it's nice to know that you don't have any commissions on top. Both the eToro trading platform and eToro wallet, I think, are very good consumer-focused apps that pretty much give you all the services that you would want if you're trading, and cryptocurrencies, of course, are a very big part of the platform these days. Moving on to Coinomi though. So this has been around for a very long time in crypto years anyway, and it's actually really, really popular because it supports literally thousands of cryptocurrencies. So if you're into altcoins or, very niche type of cryptos, then Coinomi probably supports it. You can use the app to pay for items in stores with the QR code scanner. And there's also 24/7 customer support in this one as well. Coinomi is also completely free of charge to use the wallet. They do offer an exchange or a brokerage type feature when you can go and buy Bitcoins. Again, that's where they make their money. So there are some charges on top, but because of that, they offer you this wallet app for free. You can also earn interest on your holdings in Coinomi. You can use staking, much like I mentioned earlier. And they also have a desktop client for Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems as well. So that means you can see your holdings pretty much on all your devices. Coinomi is very focused on not just security, but privacy as well. So not only do they not take any KYC information at all, they also hide your IP address when using their systems, which means that you will be virtually untraceable if you're using this. Coinomi is, as I said, a very popular app for many reasons. The interface is fresh and modern, it's free to use. They have a good exchange feature that does charge a little bit on top, but it's very easy to use. They have a QR code scanner for payments in physical stores if you need that. And they support pretty much the biggest list of cryptocurrencies in the app, which is why many people choose them. Exodus is definitely worth putting on this list though. Another free, modern, and importantly, easy to use platform. This one is really good for beginners, mainly because the simple layout and also the customer support is really good. It's 24/7 and it's a real person. So if you have any issues, you can have a live chat with a real customer support agent at any time of the day. Just like most others out there, there is an exchange service built in. The fees are quite high and you're always going to be paying for convenience, and that's what you're doing with Exodus. You may be paying anywhere from about 2 to 5% depending on what you're buying and how much you're buying. So it's definitely on the higher end, along with Coinbase. Now, if you want a cheaper way of doing it, you've got eToro and you've got Binance, which are almost commission free. Binance is one of the lowest because it's the exchange product and not the wallet product. There are no fees to send or receive though. Just like the others, you get gas fees. And something to note is that it only supports about 100 cryptocurrencies. Now, for most people, for most of us who just really want to buy Bitcoin and nothing else, or maybe Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin, that's going to be enough. Now, for people that are into cryptocurrency trading and want some more exotic stuff, then Exodus may not support those cryptocurrencies and it may not be worth going for. You may want to choose Coinomi, but for most beginners and most people, 100 plus is certainly enough. Exodus also links up with a brand called Trezor, which provides hardware wallets. And I mentioned them at the start, which are basically like a souped up USB stick. You get some security measures with the stick. Now, if you have a large holding of any cryptocurrency, experts always suggest that you put that onto a hardware wallet so that it essentially can't be hacked from online. What's good about this though is that you can use the Exodus software platform and the apps with the Trezor hardware wallet. And so you can mix and match your holdings, maybe have some online in your online wallet so that you can use it. And then the bulk of your holding, you can maybe go and get a Trezor hardware wallet. When it comes to software wallets though, it's really all about security, cost, anonymity, and ease of use. And all of the ones I mentioned here really do touch all of those bases. So depending on who you are, you may want to choose one over the others. All of the information on these services will be linked in the description for you, so you can go through and see what they're like, plus some more helpful info as well. Make sure to subscribe for more cryptocurrency and trading videos. That's it for this one though. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.